This is how to use the Sandbox tools in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the arc, 2-point arc in here, and we can click from this position and with any position in here and just place. To make it smoother, you can type 64S and enter in here, so it will be smooth, just like this. Then we can click this one and select the offset tool. We can select offset it inside, for example. Okay, we can select the rotate tool with using the rotate tools in here and click from the endpoint in here and make sure on the right axis in here. Then we can rotate 90 degree in here, and then we can select or move this little curve and press shift on keyboard in here. Okay, then we can click and select a move, tap control on our keyboard and click the endpoint in here and just place with any position in here. So this is the custom positioning in here. And then we can now duplicate this one in here. We can duplicate this group of element. We can duplicate this one, and we can select this one and select the draw sandbox and select the from contours in here. So this is the result between the result of the how to use the sandbox tool in SketchUp.